said is so good with numbers. Don't forget today is 12, 12, 12. Yes, 12th December 2012. And he's so here to tell us the significance of that 12, 12, 12. Because to me, it's just an ordinary day in the year 2012. But Ebu, he has something, I mean, he believes, I don't know if he believes
you know,
or
people
but
have always believed in numbers.
Yeah.
But that is why I want to take my time to listen to him today, because this issue of the word ending in year 2012 has been since the beginning of the year. You understand what I'm trying to say?
Okay, he's already here, Mr. Obenade. Correct me if I'm wrong. Mike, yes, Mike E. Yes, I guess I would rather use that.
What is it about today being 12, 12, 12?
It is set aside by God
Okay.
for the entire world to meditate by the 12 tribes of Israel. Like, you know, there are 12 tribes of Israel.
Yes.
And God promised
Okay.
He's going to order the food of His chosen one. And our food is the 12 alphabet and the 12 alphabet. Because your food is a symbol of hell. As in I-L.
You mean my foot?
A, B, C to L alphabet.
Yeah.
Like the food.
F.
You realize it?
The foot, okay, like L.
You got that right now.
Okay.
So A, B, C, D to L
Yeah.
is the 12th alphabet.
Okay.
So you have 12 now. And God promised the 12 tribes that He will order their foot or their feet, whichever, you know what I mean,
Yeah.
into salvation grounds.
Okay.
It's a definite promise from God. But however, the kingdom of Israel, from generation to generation, the mystic glory was passed to people and to people. Because Jesus said, God will give this kingdom to those possessing His fruit thereof. And Nigeria as a chosen nation has produced the kingdom fruit already.
How?
Okay, for having the two white stallion and the eagle as
Yeah.
Nigerian emblem, it shows that we are the chosen nation. Like American emblem is the rising eagle with 13 talons and 13 arrows on the talons. You know what I mean? It's oriented female, it's rising, and a pyramid of Egypt, and the Illuminati high.
Yeah.
And I say, in God we trust. They just stood the God they trust on with that $1. They trust in Illuminati's God.
Okay.
Why our own is two white horses, Jesus is going to come with white horses. And the left has an eagle. Get the point? But right now, as I said, if Nigeria is actually chosen, is the chosen nation, God will actually prove it that way, have you?
So,
And when God speaks, it speaks from the top to the down. He told Moses that, for this reason, I have raised Pharaoh to show my power through Pharaoh. And Pharaoh's lineage was ignorant. And it took a number of years for God to actualize that fact.
Okay, okay. I think we're going so religious. What if I don't believe in the biblical inclinations you're giving now?
We've not come to the part of belief or faith now. We are in the logical aspects.
Okay.
Okay, let me give you an example now. If actually, as I said, that Benin, that Nigeria is...
okay, you know what? Let me pause you right there. Because I'm not the only one that wants to get right everything you're saying.
Okay.
So we'll surely continue with you after the news update.
Okay.
Thank you very much for being there. And we're still talking with Mr. Michael on the significance of numbers. So, Mr. Michael, you were saying, I actually asked you a question that is going all biblical. What about those who don't believe in the Bible?
I'm not going to go to the Bible right now. I just give you what we were told.
Okay.
As I said the 12th alphabet yeah, is L shape.
Okay.
Because A, B to L is 12.
Okay.
So our two legs is like 12, 12 in numbers.
Yeah.
And God said He's going to order the feet of the Israelites, who are 12 tribes. So we have triple 12 today. So this is a better day to meditate that fast and ponder that fast. You don't have to be a Christian. If you are really religiously inclined, you actually evaluate and analyze other religions and take from it and give out from it. And I'm saying, I know whether they are in error or not. What I'm trying to say is that the people called Israel today have actually changed their names. Just as evolution evolves, some people change their name. We don't want called Benin people. We call Igodo before. You get that point?
Okay.
What you have as United States of America was not how they started before. We were British colonies. You know what I'm saying? But in every generation, there are people who are set aside to symbolize the 12 tribe of Israel. whether I like it or not, if that nation has kept faith with God, because without faith, you cannot please God. And faith happens to be in Nigeria emblem now. And the emblem we have at Nigerian logo shows that Nigeria is the chosen nation. And in Nigeria, the traditional rulers are actually in agreement that the Oba of Benin is the top among them, while the Messiah is the head of the all King of Kings. So, if actually God is going to order the foot of the Israelites, symbolized by Nigerians now, he should use the apex to symbolize it actually. And the Oba of Benin has actually proven that God can actually order your foot spiritually and physically. Because the day the Oba of Benin left his palace last now was the day Oshomole was 4 years and 4 days in power. So you have 44 now. But the eagle has 4 talons, as in 4 claws, and 4 claws. And when the Oba moves, it's moving as a symbolical eagle or a lion at least. I am saying. And the governor he visited was born on the 4th day of the 4th month. And I guess they sat down on 2 chairs with 4 legs and 4 legs. But if you spell the word Benin, you have B-E-N-I-N. B is the second alphabet, E the 5th alphabet, N the 14th, I the 9th, N again the 14th. If you add all, you have 44. So it's in the Benin land, the Benin Oba moved to make the governor. But meanwhile, the word foot is written in the Bible 99 times. Written in the Bible 99 times. And Adam Shumule was born the 4th day of the 4th month. But that day is the 94th day of the year. And 94 is like 90 day again of the 4th month, which is the 99th day of the year now.
Okay. Okay, just quickly, Brandon, because our time is
you don't have time.
No.
And in this kind of analysis, you need in-depth time.
Okay.
Because it is a new wisdom, even comprehended by me.
Okay.
Because when today came, in my memory, when I analyzed it, I knew what God was saying to the dates. And Obairidiawa is actually precariously placed to symbolize that fact, because if you spell the word 12 into number, you have 87. If you spell Iridiawa, you have 87. And the day the Oba of Benin was crowned, he walked around Benin with his foot, and the sun and the moon came out. And in Habakkuk verse 11, chapter 3, he said the sun and the moon stood still in their habitation, that is their movement. At the light of your arrows, they went, and the glitter of your spear. Among arrows, the spear is the king of the weapon.
In essence, what are we trying to say?
Okay,
What becomes the future of
why is
Nigeria?
it that the numbers are converging? I said I just quoted verse 11, chapter 3 of Habakkuk, where the moon and the sun stood still in the habitation. But if you write the word billion people to number, you have 113, which is like 11, 3 again. If you write the heartbeat, 113. If you write Igudomigodo, 113. It was the Benin Oba king, they were being crowned that day, that when the sun and the moon came out. It's not every day the sun and the moon comes out.
Okay, Mr. Michael, I'm really, really sorry. We'll have to end it right
You've
here.
not done it
But
really.
we sure will invite you some other time to really, really analyze all this, and then we'll have enough time on our side.
Thank you so much. And
Yeah.
next on our lineup is Sports Breakfast Sports with Isaac Obune. Thank you for staying tuned.